Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a video to a playlist on Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Facebook, a like page, a video that was uploaded to Facebook Creator Studio, which will then be added to a playlist. Can I start the tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio using the shortcut within bookmarks. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, then go to Content. And now let's go to Playlists. We have the terminal commands for Mac users 2024 playlist created. So I can now click within this, go to Add Videos. As we know, we have uploaded 12 videos as part of this playlist, but only 11 have been added to the playlist. We are therefore using the 12th tutorial video as part of this video. So let's now click on this, then go to Save. Video was added to the playlist successfully. So now what we can do is quit Safari. Now go over to the dock again, go back to Safari. Same thing, go to Facebook Creator Studio. Go to Content. Let's now go to Playlists. And we should see that the playlist terminal commands for Mac users now has 12 videos in that particular playlist. So let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.